Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Biology Explained. Lot of research is going around with COVID-19 for better understanding of the disease. Recently I came across a journal which talks about blood group and COVID-19 severity. Let's talk about the journal today and try to understand what they have done. In the present study, the authors included 1980 patients with COVID-19 from different centers of Italy and Spain. After quality control, 835 patients and 1255 control from Italy and 775 patients and 950 control from Spain were taken for analysis. They did the first genome-wide association study to understand if host genetic factor, that is, if any genetic factor in human contribute to the severity of the disease. Before going into the details, let me tell you in brief what is genome-wide association study. It is a new way for the scientists to identify genes involved in human disease. In this method, small variants or changes in the genes, for example, single nucleotide polymorphisms or SNPs are studied. This can help to pinpoint the gene that may contribute to the person's risk of developing a certain disease. So, what is single nucleotide polymorphism? Single nucleotide polymorphism or SNPs are the most common type of genetic variant among people. As the name suggests, only single nucleotide has different variant in different population. For example, a SNP may replace a nucleotide cytosine to thiamine in a certain stretch of DNA. SNPs occur throughout a person's DNA. These variations may be unique to a person or might be unique for a particular population. Thus, these SNPs act as biological markers and help scientists to locate genes that are associated with disease. So, in this paper, the scientists did genome-wide association study to pinpoint various SNPs that could contribute to the severity of COVID-19 in certain population. So, what did they found? They analyzed about 85.5 lakh of SNPs from Italian and Spanish patients. Among these, they found SNPs at two positions were very significant, one on chromosome 3 and the other on chromosome 9. There was an insertion deletion GA to A SNP at chromosome 3p21. One of the genes in this position that could be affected was SLC6A20, which encodes for a transporter protein that interacts with ACE2 receptor. And do you remember that the SARS-CoV-2 virus enters the host through ACE2 receptor? The protein which is expressed by this gene is sodium amino acid transporter 1 or SIT1, and it is found in the pneumocytes of the lung. Thus, these cells which express different SNPs might have different effect on viral entry since they are transporter protein that interacts with ACE2. And they found that the risk allele GA of the lead SNP was higher in patients with mechanical ventilation compared to those having only oxygen supplementation. And the other SNP found on chromosome 9 was found on ABO blood group at position 9q34.2. I am not going into the details of ABO blood grouping in this video. If you are interested to know in details about ABO blood group, please refer to my video about ABO blood group. I will provide you the link in endnote and description. So what did they find? They found that change in 3 different SNPs in patients with respiratory failure compared to control. And it was found that A positive individuals were at 45% increased risk for respiratory failure, while the individuals with blood group O were at 35% decreased risk for respiratory failure. Thus, it seems that A positive blood group are at higher risk as compared to the other blood groups, and O blood group is at lower risk for severity of the disease. But remember, these data were from Italian and Spanish cohort only. Again, according to the authors, earlier report has also shown as blood group system involved in determining severity of COVID-19 disease. Thus, further investigation needs to be done for complete understanding. Please keep a note that this is not a peer-reviewed yet, and thus we have to wait for some time before we completely agree to their data. However, if you think these informations are useful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe and support to my channel for more such video. Thank you.